Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my Canva Masterclasses. In the previous lecture we have learned about Magic Eraser. Today we are going to learn about Magic Grab. Magic Grab is an AI-powered feature that helps us to select the main subject from an image and move or resize it easily. So let's get started. I will open Canva and tell you what is Magic Grab. Magic Grab uses our AI to identify the main object in the photo and make it movable. Instead of moving manually or cut out the object, Canva can help us to grab it and reposition within our design. This is especially useful for social media posts, thumbnails, advertisement, and promotional design. So let's start. Create a new design, template, and I will select poster. Okay. Now, upload an image. Click a blank page. And now, click upload image. Now upload an image with a clear subject, such as a person or a product. Let me upload. Click upload files and upload your image. So look, I have uploaded an image. Okay. Now, I will select the image. Okay. Edit. Now click on edit and select from here. Oh, where is edit? Now, Magic Layers, Magic. Here's option of Magic Grab. Now, click on See All. Magic Grab. Now, it's a paid element, okay? It's not a free, it's a paid element, okay? Remember, Magic Grab is a paid element. Okay. Now, let Canva identify the main object. Like it is identifying. Once the subject is, like, he identified the subject, this, okay? Once the subject is separated, you can move it, resize it, reposition it, or add another element around it. Like I can grab. Now, great. Now I can move it, okay? But, unfortunately, I don't want to move. I will again go to Option Magic Grab. Magic Grab. Now, brush. And I can also Magic Grab by coloring the brush, okay? Like this. Let me show you. A bit. Now, grab. Let it load. Now you can see the guy face also grabbed. This is how Magic Grab works. You can change the color of an image like brown. You can replace it to red. Okay, and downward, click on red. This is so an amazing feature of Canva Pro. You can add a background, remove a background. You can change the color of the selective design. Okay. Let's say we have a photo on the person working on a laptop. With a Magic Grab, we can grab the person and move them to another part of your design. Okay. Like we have done, we have grab and change the color of our guy. Here's one special offer for you guys. Before we continue, I will tell you something exciting. If you want Canva lifetime access at only in 2,000 rupees You can get it from us at very affordable price. If you are interested, simply message us on Instagram to get details and purchase Canva access. Only in 2,000 rupees. Don't miss the special offer. Now let's continue our Magic Grab practicals. Some common mistakes that a beginner do, that I use blurry and low quality images. We have used a high quality image. Use image where subject overlap. Using image where subject are to overlap is one of the common mistake. Not checking the edges make the subject too much large. Okay. So now your homework is, firstly you have grab the person and change the color. Then grab the person, and if you want to remove and replace the other person. Okay. Like this, you have completed 3 things and submit me on Instagram or stories. I will reshare it to my stories. Okay. Free Canva certificate reminder. Don't forget to earn Canva free Masterclasses certificate. To enable, you need like and comments on every lecture. Subscribe to see how I complete every practical task. Share your work on Instagram, post or stories. Tag see how I completed all 60 lectures and practical tasks. It's easy to enable and to get free Canva certificate. Great job. Now you know how to use Magic Grab in Canva. In the next lecture, we are going to learn about AI transition caption and discover how Canva can help us to create content for different languages and audience. Or how to create AI video in Canva is our main leader next topic. Keep practicing, keep creating, and don't forget to follow the Hawaii for more Canva and designs and content. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, let me know in comment section. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Happy designing.